Saturday, June 1st. Gonna go check in with Dad and see what's going on. So these guys are busy on the back end here. Dad's buddy Randy is busy mechanicking here. What's going on? Holy crap, we got the
this is
rad installed.
So that no air can get by, it has to go through the rad.
Yeah.
And the transmission cooler is next.
Okay. So what is this again? Is this just a piece of PVC plastic, or?
Well, we got a bar underneath there, and,
Yeah.
and this is plastic.
Okay.
It's just to keep the air from going through.
Okay.
And
This looks all neat and tidy and clean.
yeah, we're this is all on now.
Yeah.
And but the shield here.
Oh, right. Yeah. Perfect.
Heat
Protect the starter.
Yeah.
So
And Monday, we should have the axle,
okay, and Dad's talking about the differential axles. There's two of them.
and then we're gonna mount the
Lower motor heater.
no, the lower motor heater, but we're gonna mount the electrical to the tin on the heater.
Okay.
Because this is gonna be sheeted in with a 1/4-inch plywood.
Okay.
In here and on top, so we'll put our fuse boxes in here.
Yeah.
And circuit breaker.
Yeah.
In here for the.
So I noticed you got that piece of steel in there. Do you still have to cut that for those?
Well, we have to put it in like this, eh?
Yeah.
They're gonna tack weld it together,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna mask this off and paint this part all black.
Yeah.
But to make a nice job, I'm gonna drill these holes, see?
Okay.
And then cut so that the levers go through.
Yeah. Okay. Well, that looks nice and pretty. And what else are you working on here today?
This is the throttle linkage here.
Yeah.
Runs the throttle.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get a rod cut from here to here,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll clean this up and weld an eye on down here
Yeah.
and here on the rod with a big spring so it pulls it back.
Okay.
And the brakes are all ready. Just got to put a pin in,
Yeah.
and then we'll bleed it and do the brakes. But the muffler and all that's in there now.
Whew. The amount of progress that you've done in the last couple of days is shocking. So that's great. And wow, you actually got
8-wire cable.
8-wire cable. So Dad's gonna attach all that there, mount everything to the circuit breaker and to the that 8-wire cable to the circuit cable, clean all that up.
All the wiring, like all the lights and
Yeah.
and switches and everything will go right to the front there.
Okay. And what's going on back here?
Well, this is the container for the brake,
Mm-hmm.
and this is done other than tying things up. Eh?
Okay.
So
Okay.
once Randy gets
So when you put in the U-joints there, was there any issues or?
oh, there always is. It's tight to put them in there. Eh?
Yeah, but you got a transmission mount in there to make sure nothing goes wrong like
Yep.
the last one.
No, this has got a heavy-duty transmission mount, and this is made up solid to
Okay.
the carrier. This is the last brake I'm doing.
Okay.
Way too much work.
Okay. And what's Randy doing on here today?
You see here, come over to this.
I will, yeah.
Leave Randy. We have to have an inch of clearance on the rad to the fan, eh?
Okay, did you get it?
Yeah, what we had to put these sticks in here, eh,
Okay, yeah.
to shim it out.
Okay. So are you happy with your progress here in the last couple of
Well-
days then, or?
What we've done is done good, so that makes me happy.
Okay. Yes, I am amazed at how much Dad has done here just in the last couple of days. I was really worried, but he's happy, I'm happy, we're all happy. I guess you put these in here too, right?
Yep, it'll all come together.
So,
we get the axles, then the rest goes
Okay,
on.
so once you have the axles, what's next after that?
Well, then we can put the tracks on and we're done, eh?
Okay,
See, this has a slide cover from the inside, but we can't put that slide cover in here anymore on account of the alternator and the
Yeah.
4-barrel manifold. So we're gonna have a cover that goes on the outside
okay,
with 8 or 10 bolts.
okay,
And same thing on this side. Because of the distributors being close.
Yeah.
And I had to make that bracket to hold the throttle cable.
yeah,
So you can't take that off. So, but you can get in there, change the filter. If you want to, you can take the cover off and get in there.
okay. So,
Take a tire off, that's all.
there you go. What, when do you think you're gonna be able to get, if you get those axles in this week, do you think you're gonna get the tracks on this week, or?
I don't know. We'll see.
Okay.
We gotta start it up
Yeah,
and make sure everything's, and then of course the floor is level to about here,
yeah,
so then it has to come up a bit.
yeah,
The floor can't be level.
Yeah.
Transmission is too high, and it has to come like this and then drop down. So
Okay.
I'll have to make that.
yeah,
I'll cut the floor here,
yeah,
and then we'll make this angle here and come to here.
okay.
There's so much to make.
Well, guys, that's June 1st update here. I'm really ecstatic with Dad's progress. And this is what Randy's putting in here today, a junction box. So he's
all
been
the
here,
wiring goes to there.
he's been doing that all day. And then, well, they've got a bunch more work here to do yet. And,
There are ground wires.
yep. So that's it. And, yeah.
That's it.
Let us know here below, guys, what you think of the progress. Oh, the skis, right.
They're rebuilt.
I thought we were doing the skis this week.
They're completely dead.
Okay,
Bumpers and everything.
okay. So all this hopefully is out on the machine here soon enough. And comment down below what you guys think.
Any suggestions when it's done, it's done.
Okay. And like Dad said, when it's done, it's done. There it is, guys. What do you think there, Charles? Hey, my boy? Oh, what a good old dog we've got, eh? What a good old dog we've got. And there's Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog with her bone and doing her shop dog, eh? Yeah, my kids.